Let me show you how to change settings and also configure your Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. So once you actually connect them to a smartphone, so first if you have a Samsung phone, so if they are connected, you simply go in your settings and you see you have a new option up here. So click over here and you can open the settings. By the way, also if for example you click this option and it's not opening, it's not doing anything for you, make sure to go in the Samsung store and update this Galaxy Buds app, so and then you will be able to open. So it's kind of buggy process at the time filming. So yeah, once you open it up, I see you can for example change the active noise cancellation settings, but for this you have to actually have them in your ear. If you have them out of your ear, you won't be able to change those settings. We have the voice detection. So for example, if someone starts talking with you, they will kind of dim down, and also remove the noise cancellation. Various controls. Okay, so you can customize them. Also 360 audio. Also we can manage and basically customize how they're going to sound. You see. Yep, also. Okay. So I'm just showing you in case you don't have them. And also, for example, you can find them as well. Some diagnostics of them as well that you can launch. And also even update their software as well here. Also, if you swipe down here as well, if you go in your Bluetooth settings, click on details and click this range here, as you see, for example, it also brings you straight to this menu here. Okay, so this is for the Samsung phone. And if you want to control them on any other Android phone, so non-Samsung phone, after you pair them, what you have to do is you have to simply download this application called Galaxy Wearable on your phone essentially. So again, it's on any Android phone that you can download. So download, open it up, and you will see the same settings that I just showed you there. Good luck.